Hello YouTube and welcome. First video of 2018. I do apologise for the delay. Quite a few things going on and the weather permitting kind of thing going on right now. Still relatively cold outside and I don't really like working in the garage. Anyway, we have an unboxing. I have no idea what's in this. Absolutely no idea. So let's get straight on with the cutting open of the cardboard. I can find a join. It's definitely not there actually. Let's cut here because that looks like it's, yes. Okay, this could be anything. I have no idea. I know I'm expecting a few things, but I honestly have no idea what's in here. Okay, that's that bit. I do believe this could be Cortina related. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I remember this stuff when I was little. This stuff's great. Yeah, I used to love playing with this stuff. Used to drive my parents insane. Right, okay, we need to get some more of this out. So I need to get to the item inside. What could it be? It's wrapped in bubble wrap. Is there anything else in there? It's a bubble wrapped thing. Anything else in there? No, just lots and lots of foam. Lots and lots of foam. Oh, what could it be? Okay, let's move that out of the way. Let's push that back there. Okay, move these bits. Get rid of those. Right, okay. Right, so, yes, yeah, sorry, I got interrupted. I had somebody knocking on my door, which is really annoying. Anyway, see if we can cut this. Don't you just love all these long drawn out unboxings where people just like talk and they don't do anything and they just like rub it on stupidly while they're unpacking something and then stand there irritatingly and just yap. Well, yeah, right, crack on. Let's get on with it. There we go. Let's just adjust the angle. Breast of British police cars, Ford Cortina Mk3. Okay, I'm going to readjust the angle of the camera. Right, jump cut. That's better. A bit more of an angle so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so let's cut this bad boy open. Oh, or even just like try and cut it and it's simply not. Now this I found online. I don't know anything about this brand of model car. Haven't really had a chance to see anything of these yet. I do know that there was a special deal on the internet. So if you join up with the company that makes these, you get them like really cheap, but they stopped making these. Atlas Editions. There we go. Zoom in a bit. There we go. Atlas Editions. Made in China. Scale model for adult collectors, not suitable for children under 14. Then you got all the other languages, and it's a Ford approved. Yes, it's officially licensed by Ford, which is superb. I wonder if any of these original cars from the 70s, Essex police cars Mark III, still exist. That is a curious one. I don't know if I can open this box without destroying it. No, it looks like I can open it. There we go. Let's get that end open. Oh. Right, let's take this out. Come on, out you come. Come on, out into the light. Oh no, look at that. That's a proper jam sandwich. Let's lift that out of its plastic. Ah, wow, it's actually heavy for what it is, and it's very cold, and it's proper metal. Wow, it's even got the aerial on top, which is bent for some reason. It's got your wing mirrors, little tiny chrome wing mirrors. TNO 599K. Got a siren in the centre of the grille. The two spotlights on the roof, including the blue flashing light. Police written on the side, with the jam sandwich stripe. Even down the roof of the car, you've got this jam sandwich stripe. The jam sandwich stripe across the boot. And let's just zoom in. Oh, wrong part of the camera. See if we can get that to zoom in. Is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Come on, focus on the Cortina. Come on, you know you want to. It's focusing on the background. This is extremely annoying. Anyway, it says close up, it says Cortina, Ford Cortina GT. So it's not a GXL, it is a GT, as it says right there, 2 litre GT. There, it focuses on the car. Maybe you can just make that out there. There we go, that's better. Okay, I'll take a quick jump cut, and I'm going to take the car off of its base, and oh, if I can. Will it let me? Let's find out. No, it has these tabs in the bottom there, and I've pushed them in and nothing seems to happen. It doesn't want to come free, so it stays on this plinth. From what I read, the wheels and the tyres, they're proper rubber tyres and they move. Yeah, there we go, the tyre rotates. It has got quite a lot of detail. I do like it. It's got chrome door handles. Sorry, the camera, I'm using my phone to do the camera filming, and the lens is that side of the screen, so I apologise if I'm over here, because I'm trying to be central. It's got the little tiny badge on the bottom of the wing at the front, which is kind of cool. It's nice attention to detail. There's a lot of attention to detail with the wheels. There we go. If it's going to focus on the car. Oh, this camera is terrible. Come on. Is it going to focus? No. It did before. It focused. Focused, locust. There we go. It's focusing now. So if I try and zoom in a bit closer to the wheels, there we go. You can see the hubcaps. And yeah, they're all quite well detailed. I like the lights. It's a shame the indicators aren't better, really. They should really be orange, if I'm correct. K-Reg, I can't remember the year for K-Reg, but as with other Cortinas I've seen of this era, they had orange indicators, not clear ones. I think that was a later edition. Unless the police had a different method, they may have done. I do like the strip on the tail with the red strip to match the sides with the jam sandwich design. But yes, I'm very pleased with this. This is a great addition to go with my Noel Edmonds little car. Yeah, really nice find, very happy with it. It's a shame it wasn't a bit more articulate. The detail is nice, the features it has, I mean the aerial, the wing mirrors, it is really nice. I'm very pleased. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully bring you another video soon. I'm not too sure exactly what that will be. I have ordered some parts for the bike. Can't be forgetting the bike. I will try and get around to uploading another video as soon as I possibly can. I managed to get the car off the base. Yeah, kind of like oh, wrong. No, don't zoom in. I'm trying to look for volume. Yeah, trying to push these tabs in, and eventually kind of gave way. I just wobbled it left, right, and it kind of came apart. And there's two crosshead screws in there, so I just removed those. Now, the reason I'm filming this now is because something surprised me about this car. It says on the box, one moment. Yeah, it says on the box that this is Atlas editions made in China, 4 Atlas editions. Now, something about this, you've already seen this before previous in the video, I don't know why I'm showing you that again. Something about this car made me think. Now, this is Chinese, and I've got a sneaking suspicion that this is just a recycled model and possibly just painted to make it look like a police car. Reason being, I will show you. If I tilt the car onto its side, being careful not to damage anything, or even just hold it upright. I'll zoom in. Can you see that? Vanguards. And something below it looks like it's been machined away, so it can't be read. So I've got a sneaking suspicion that this is a Corgi Vanguards being made up to look like something it's not. Let me know what you think.